Chapter 3 and 35. Again, we're solving for a system of equations. So the first equation is 1/2 x plus it's minus 1/3 y equals 2, and 3/4 x plus 1/2 y equals 3. So let's do these a little differently. Let's substitute. Solve one equation for a variable, then plug that into the second equation. So let's do that for the first equation. Let's number them just so that we're clear on which is which. So for equation 1, I want to solve for y, let's say. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get the lowest common denominator, which is going to be 6, and basically, well, the lowest common multiple of the two denominators, which is going to be 6, and then I'll multiply the whole equation by that to get rid of the fractions, because I don't like working with fractions. You might. This is just my preferred way. Okay, so for the first term, we're going to get rid of the 6. That's going to leave us with 3x. And then for the second one, we're going to be left with 2y. And then we're going to multiply 2 by 12. So we're going to get this expression here. Then I forgot what I said if I'm solving for x or y. I'm going to solve for y. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. So we're left with negative 2y equals 12 minus 3x. Subtract both sides by negative 2, and we're left with y equals negative 6 plus 3/2 x. So let's plug this into equation 2. So equation 2, we're going to have 3/4 x plus 1/2 y equals 3. 3/4 x plus 1/2 times negative 6 plus 3/2 x equals 3. Right. Okay. So now let's get rid of the fractions, shall we? So multiply the whole thing by 4. So we're going to have 3x plus, so this is going to become 2, and we'll multiply through by 2. So 2 times negative 6 is going to be negative 12. And then 3/2 times 2 is going to be 3x. And then we need to multiply 3 by 4 as well. So that's going to equal 12. Combine the x's. So we're going to have negative 12 plus 6x equals 12. So let's add 12 to both sides. And so we're going to have 6x equals 24. Divide both sides by 6. So our x is going to equal 4. And now we just need to plug this into one of our original equations. X equals 4. Let's plug it into the first equation. So 1/2 times 4 minus 1/3 y equals 2. So 2 minus 1/3 y equals 2. We're going to add 2 to, I'm sorry, no, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. Get rid of the 2's over here. We're left with negative 1/3 y equals 0. So that means y is going to equal 0. Because if we multiply both sides by negative 3, gets rid of that, and that gets rid of that. We're left with y equals 0. So the solutions to this set is going to be x equals 4 and y equals 0.